You know, the Damon system is one of the most widely used self-ligation systems out there for a good reason. It really allows us to move teeth more seamlessly. It is more comfortable. It's passive self-ligation, which means that the interaction between the wires and the brackets has less friction, which means that the teeth move easier onto the wires, and therefore we get better results, faster, and with less discomfort. And the key really with the Damon system is that it allows us to get what we call the Hollywood smiles that we like to see. It's really that nice broader smiles, and we love it. I mean, our patients are our best tool for advertisement.
Billboards.
They walk billboards,
Yeah.
Exactly. They go out there and they smile and people see the difference. So it is just one tool in our arsenal. We use other tools such as Invisalign and other things, appliances that we use. But it's a key tool that we use to make sure to get the best results for the patients.